Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Train Your English Brain. I'm Emma. Today, I want to ask you something. Do you own a big English dictionary or maybe a huge vocabulary app with thousands and thousands of words? And do you sometimes feel overwhelmed just looking at it? Like, how can I possibly learn all of these words? If you feel this way, I have very good news for you today. You don't need to learn thousands of words. You only need to learn the right words, the small group of words that people actually use again and again every single day. This is called the 20-80 principle, and today I will explain it clearly and show you exactly how it can save you time and help you speak much faster than you think. The rule is simple. Focus on the 20% of words that are used 80% of the time. Don't try to learn everything. Let me explain why this matters so much. In every language, including English, some words appear extremely often. Words like go, have, want, need, good, time, help. These words appear in almost every conversation, every single day. But there are also thousands of rare words, words that native speakers themselves rarely use, maybe only in special topics like science, law, or literature. Many learners make a big mistake. They try to learn difficult, rare words first, thinking, if I know more words, I will sound smarter. But in real conversations, this rarely helps. What actually helps is knowing the common words extremely well, knowing them so well that you can use them instantly without thinking. Think about it this way. If you learn just 200 of the most common English words and you learn them deeply, you can already understand and speak about 80% of daily conversations. This is much more powerful than knowing 2,000 rare words that you rarely use. Let me tell you a story. This is a story about a real student, and I will call her Anna. Anna wanted to sound advanced quickly. She studied difficult words from newspapers and academic books, words like consequently, furthermore, nevertheless. She felt proud collecting these impressive words. But when Anna tried to have a simple conversation, ordering food, asking for directions, talking with a neighbor, she struggled. She knew fancy words, but she didn't feel confident using simple, everyday words smoothly. Her conversations felt awkward and slow because she had skipped the foundation. Anna's teacher gave her clear advice. She said, Anna, forget about impressive words for now. Let's focus only on the most common 100 words in English. Learn them so deeply you never have to think about them again. Anna felt surprised. This felt too simple, almost too easy, but she trusted her teacher and started this new approach. She practiced simple, common words every day. Want, need, like, go, come, help, good, time, people, day. She used them in short sentences again and again until they became automatic. And here's what happened. Within a few weeks, Anna's daily conversations became so much smoother. She wasn't searching for impressive words anymore. She was using simple, powerful words with total confidence. This is the real power of the 20-80 principle. A small number of common words learned deeply gives you much more real communication power than a huge number of rare words learned only briefly. Depth matters more than size, especially at the beginning. Now, let's practice together. I will say some of the most common, most useful English words. We will use each one in a simple sentence so you feel comfortable and confident using them. Here is our first word, want. Say it with me, want. Now in a sentence, I want some water. Let's try need. Say it with me, need. In a sentence, I need help, please. Let's try like. Say it with me, like. In a sentence, I like this song. Wonderful. Let's continue with a few more powerful everyday words. Go. Say it with me. Go. In a sentence, I go to work every day. Help. Say it with me. Help. In a sentence, can you help me, please? Time. Say it with me. Time. In a sentence, what time is it?
Excellent work. Do you notice something? These words are short, simple, and extremely common, but when you combine them, they create real, useful communication, exactly what you need in daily conversations. Let's practice a few more words, this time a little faster. Good. I feel good today. People. There are many people here. Day. Have a good day. Think. I think this is a good idea. Wonderful. You just practiced 8 to 10 of the most powerful, common English words. These small words, used correctly and confidently, can help you in almost any daily situation. Here is a simple and very useful exercise for you. Think about your own daily life. What 10 words do you use or hear most often? Maybe words related to your work, your family, your hobbies. Write them down or simply say them out loud right now. Take a moment now and try it. Choose 10 simple, common words from your daily life and say each one in a short sentence. Remember this important idea. You don't need a huge vocabulary to communicate well. You need the right vocabulary. Common, useful words practiced deeply until they become automatic and natural in your mouth. Many learners feel pressure to know more words constantly. They compare themselves to others, thinking, I only know simple words, I must not be good enough. But this thinking is completely backwards. Real communication skill comes from using common words smoothly and confidently, not from memorizing rare words you'll almost never use. So here is your homework for today. Choose 5 common English words, words you use in your daily life, or words we practice today. Say each word in 3 different sentences out loud. Focus on using them smoothly, naturally, without hesitation. I know it might feel strange to focus on simple words instead of impressive words, but this is exactly the secret behind confident, fluent daily conversation. Strong basics create strong fluency, always without exception. So, my friend, please promise me one thing today. Instead of chasing new, complicated words, spend today strengthening the simple, common words you already know. Use them again and again until they feel completely natural. Thank you so much for practicing together with me today. If this lesson helped you, please come back tomorrow for a new lesson. And remember, focus on the right words, not all the words, and your English will become powerful and natural, one common word at a time. See you in the next episode, my friend. Keep practicing, be patient with yourself, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.